Welcome to this tutorial. How to use TeamViewer. If you want to take remote access to another computer from a distance, then TeamViewer is the right choice. The TeamViewer app should be installed on both computers. In this video, we see some steps to use TeamViewer. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Open the TeamViewer app on your computer. Type the computer ID of your second computer to which you want to connect, and click on the Connect button. Type the password of your second computer in the TeamViewer Authentication box and click on the Log On button. Once remotely connected to the other computer, you will see a menu bar at the top. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. If you want to leave a message on the other computer, then click on the Leave Note. Now type your message in the TeamViewer note box. Let's close this note box. Click on the Actions menu, and here you can also lock, reboot, or use the clipboard. You can also add another participant by clicking on the Invite Additional Participant option. Click on the View menu. Here, you can set the screen size of other remotely connected computers. Also, can optimize the speed and image quality. You can change the screen resolution from the available sizes. If you will uncheck the box of Hide Wallpaper, then you can see the wallpaper of the connected computer. Click on the Switch to Full Screen option to get the full screen display of a remotely connected computer. Click on the Communicate menu to chat, annotate, call, or video chat with a connected computer. Click on the File and Extras menu. Here, you can give the print command, take a screenshot, or can also record the connected session. Click on the Open File Transfer menu, and you can transfer any file in between remotely connected computers. Click on the blinking red dot of the recording button at the top menu, and then click on the Stop and Save option. Choose a location on your computer to save your recorded session, and click on the Save button. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.